So if you want my salsa recipe, go back and check out another video. But basically, I've chopped them up, and then in here is garlic, peppers, and onion. I am going to hand chop the cilantro, but I'm going to start with the tomato. Oh, did you hear it? Ting. Start with just the tomato, so I can reduce that quite a bit, right? A lot of people go through the process moving the seeds and the skin and just all this stuff that's unnecessary if you cook it enough, right? And so look, this is already over a gallon of just tomato, and when we add the other stuff and reduce it, you'll see how much lower it is. But yeah, we're going to do a simple salsa canning recipe here. Okay, on the salsa, so it's pretty low. It hasn't reduced very much yet, but it's starting to get a little foamy, so I'm going to turn it up. And again, leave the air, because we don't want it to keep all the moisture in. We want it to reduce and boil out, and that's why I am not adding peppers, onion, garlic, cilantro, cumin, all that other stuff, no herbs or anything until after we reduce this. All right, so I'll be back in a while when it's like less watery, right? All right, looking pretty good. And you can skim the foam off if you like, right? I've been doing that a little when nobody's looking, but yeah. So it's super easy, and it's reduced quite a bit, but it's still too after we add the other stuff, that's still too runny for how I want a salsa, so I'm gonna keep going. Watermelon. All right, it's reduced quite a bit. It's thickening up nice, see that? So now I'm gonna add the combination of peppers, garlic, onion, and I can't remember what else. All right, that's in. Now I'm gonna add some spices, cumin, dried cilantro, because I don't have any more fresh, but thankfully I got all my good stuff in there. Oh wait, and sea salt. Oh, yeah. But whatever, it doesn't matter, because I already have the salsa recipe videos. The whole point of this is just to show you how to do it with your own salsa recipe, but look how thick that is now, right? Because we reduced that. So now we're going to let this reduce some more, and here's the thing, man, as long as you have the right temperature, say about 220-ish or something for the right amount of time, so say at least 30 minutes, then your canning is going to be with ease. Super simple, like I said, no special equipment, no special anything, just whatever the food is. And there you go. No citric acid, no pectin, no preservatives, just doing it the old-fashioned way. Okay, so it's reduced quite a bit, as you can see, and peppers, garlic, seasoning, everything else is added, and it's on its last, so I'm gonna keep it at a boil, right, about 220-ish for 30 minutes, and the jars are in the oven, just like we did with the jam, and I'm gonna pull them out and can these. Of course, they won't be able to hold put this in those jars, pour it in, and boom, simple, again. Okay, so that's that, and I've heard a couple ting already. It was just done like 10 minutes ago, but that's it. I got a little extra for me. I'm gonna put that in a jar that I get to keep. Yeehaw!